So hello guys, welcome again, and in this video we are making a complete professional profile pic for our social media and other platforms. So just go here and type profile pic maker and simply go to this website. Okay, and after that you can see the button that is upload your photo. Just click it, and these pictures are already making it using this tool. So so this is my picture, and just I uh okay, so let's set the correct position. So okay, so I think this is good. And after that you just here you can see the next button, and after that he can do everything for ourselves. So just wait and watch. So you can see doing something magic. You can see the future BFBS. Okay. So here is the all of images are uh, created for you. You can see. So these are the images, and you can customize him according to your need. So if I go here and select this one, you can see the images changed, and after that a circular, this is images changed. Okay, so let's okay, so this is a professional image. You can see here is the professional, this category for professional, and this one for social media, and these are the color images. And okay, so if we select image and customize him according to our need, let's suppose this is image. And okay, so first of all I think the background color is not good, so just go to the background, and after that just simply, if you like any one color, you can change it from here. And the gradient is also available, you can choose gradient, and after that the pattern option is available. So like you can select this pattern, and after that this is the filter option. You can select multiple filters, like this filter you can try on for your social media and other ones. So I think the none I think is good for me. And this is, you can see outline, this is, you can see in my image. After that this is the outline, so I think I off this outline because, and the shadow effect, if you like adding a shadow like this and this, but I think shadow we don't need a shadow effect. And after that border, we don't want a border, you can see the border effect. Okay, so let's go with the black border and yellow. So let's suppose we want a color something like this. Okay, so this image is completely done. So you can choose choose here, and you can customize according to your need. And after that you can see here is the save your template. If you save your template, you can connect your Google account in this tool. But if you wanted to download this image, you can simply here to download this image. Okay, this is a complete total of uh, picture designing. And after that, how you can sell these images and how you can earn. So simply uh, I open this another tab. Just go to the Fiverr, and if you search here, profile. Okay, simply search your profile. You can see here's a lot of things like company profile and this one YouTube profile picture and stream and LinkedIn profile optimize. Just like if I go here, because this is a stream profile. Okay, I think this one category is not uh a category. So profile, company profile. Okay, so here see. Okay, you can create company profile and writing something, but I think you can sell your profile picture. Okay, profile, Instagram profile. You can see Instagram profile pic. So just here you can click this. This is I think 4,600 completion. You can see a person is doing like a stream. So if I open this, okay, design your Instagram profile pic professionally. You can see you complete 72. They have 72 reviews. That means it's doing a good job. And also you can see these gigs designing Instagram profile and also here. Well, let's see. You can see here is the one order in queue. So in the same way, you can sell your profile picture on Fiverr, Upwork, and other platforms, and you can use personally for your social media and other. So, guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because in the future I'll make AI videos, AI Fiverr and up AI videos. So it's helping you to grow up your business and you can earn more. Thank you guys.